Many people, including myself, do a sort of pseudo-intermittent fasting. I eat my first meal somewhere between 11 and noon. I'm not strict about this, the 11 versus noon thing, and probably eat my last bite of food somewhere around 8 p.m. And occasionally it's outside that window. I've done this for a long time. It just feels best to me.
Right.
But other people use a shorter eating window. One thing that I learned from a colleague at Yale who studies the gut microbiome that was surprising to me is that when you eat in that way, there's a long stretch of time, sometimes longer for people that have a shorter eating window, longer fasting window, that is, where you're actually eating up your own intestinal lining. So this idea that fasting is so great for us, on the one hand, might be true. On the other hand, you're actually consuming components of you're not feeding your gut microbiome and you deplete it. But then here's where I was positively surprised. When you do eat, provided that you eat enough fiber and in particular high quality fermented foods, low sugar fermented foods, it seems that the lining of the gut and the gut microbiome is replenished to a level that is greater than if you had eaten for longer periods of the 24-hour cycle.
Yeah.
Do I have that right?
We do. You do have it right. And I don't know why that is true, but it does seem to be the case. And fermented foods, in part because they've got already short-chain fatty acids in them,
Is that the preferred food of the microbiome?
Well, it's what the microbiome actually turns fiber into. So it's probably helping your intestinal epithelial cells in the same way what the microbiome turning fiber into short-chain fatty acids helps. So it's what we call a postbiotic. So you have prebiotic, which is the food for the bacteria. You have the probiotic, which is the bacteria itself. And then you have the postbiotic, which is what the bacteria make in order to heal you.